Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred two Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth were martyred by Indian troops and paramilitary forces during a cordon and search operation at Trubji area of Kulgam district. The operation was going on till last reports came in. Meanwhile, the troops conducted search operations and house raids in several areas of Srinagar, Kupwara, Baramulla, Bandipora, Ganderbal, Islamabad, Pulwama, Shopian, Kulgam, Kishtwar, Doda, Samba and Kathua districts. The authorities tightened restrictions at Srinagar-Jammu highway in the name of security for Amarnath Yatris. The vehicles are randomly checked and passengers frisked. The all-parties Hurriyat conference leadership has asked the G20 countries not to undermine the credibility of the United Nations by holding their meeting in the UN-designated disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir. APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, Advocate Davinder Singh, Democratic Freedom Party, Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League and Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference in their statements in Srinagar said the Indian move is an attempt to give legitimization to its illegal occupation of the internationally disputed region of Jammu and Kashmir. The leaders said the G20 countries to take into account before the visit the systematic human rights violations perpetrated by more than 1 million Indian occupation troops in the territory. On the other hand, the American broadcast television network NBC News, in its latest report on press freedom in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, said that Kashmiri journalists are facing an atmosphere of intimidation that is driving them out of their profession and keeping the rest from freely reporting what's happening in the territory to the world. The NBC News referred to Human Rights Watch and said since 2019, at least 35 journalists in Kashmir have faced police interrogation, raids, threats, physical assault or criminal cases in relation to their work.